What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, it is Andre. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to make money online 2019 and with Amazon. So I'm going to dive into things. I'm going to talk a little bit about Amazon FBA. So if you don't know what FBA means, it's right over here, Fulfillment by Amazon. So basically you can set up an FBA on Amazon, meaning that you can sell on Amazon. So Amazon would be the hub. You get the products, you put them on Amazon. Once your customer buys that product, then Amazon is going to deal with everything, and then they're going to be handling the shipping and everything, or you can do the shipping as well. So it all depends how it works. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, because I'm going to show you guys some really cool tips. And of course, if you're a beginner, this is going to be very helpful. I know if you're a seasoned professional, you already are doing well on Amazon, some of these tips is going to help you as well. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, right? So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to be going into the important points. Of course, there's going to be more things that you have to do, but I'm just going to cover the basics so you guys can get going and get started right away. All right. So the first thing you have to do, you have to sign up for an Amazon FBA account. FBA account. So the first thing you have to do, you have to go on amazon.com/FBA, click on it. You could just sign up and you can get started right away. So you could get started just by signing up. And I'm going to show you as well how to outsource products, where to find products, how you can start off with little to no money, and how to get your business going. So once you sign up for Amazon FBA, right? The first thing you want to do is you want to figure out, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. And for some of you probably shop on Amazon. So I'm just going to click on here. And when you look, if you look right over here, it says sold by Express Source and fulfilled by Amazon. So the person who actually selling this is Express Source. I didn't get paid to do this. I'm just using this as an example, all right? So right here it says Express Source. So I just went in here and I searched for fire torch. So this is a fire torch. And right here it says windproof, flameless, and it's a lighter. So if you scroll down here, you'll see like frequently bought together, because people are buying these things together. And of course, you have the sponsored ones down here as well. So once you find that specific product and you look over here, you'll see everything that is listed, right? Now, once you find that Amazon product, Amazon is like a business, and it's great. It's like a bedroom eBay business. You can do it full-time with like large staff member. So as a seller, right? What you do is you look at the other stocks, and it will take the amount. So if you want to sell like 10,000 items, or if you want to sell like 10 items, right? But your customers, they're not going to know exactly where it comes from. So that's why Amazon FBA is good. So there's a couple of things. You can invent a product, or you can reinvent and improve someone else's products. Now here's the difference. With improving a product from scratch, of course, you got to get it professional design. You got to manufacture it. You got to test it, right? You're going to have to work your butt off and convince people that, hey, this thing is really good for them to buy it. Now, you don't want to go that route, especially when you're new. You don't want to be like, all right, I have the greatest thing ever. To you, yeah, it could be the greatest thing. To your customers, probably it's not. And chances are, I'm not doubting anyone, but there's a slim chance. So you always want to start off by reinventing someone else's product. So once you reinvent it, then you can improve it and make it a little bit better than what it is. Now, how to outsource like products. Now, there's a lot of different places that you can outsource products, tons and tons of different places that you can outsource products. And one of the places that you can outsource product is Alibaba Express. Now, Alibaba is a great place that you can outsource different products, and there's tons of different products on here. Excuse me. So now what you do is you find a product that you think is going to be great, and I'm going to tell you exactly where you can go, where you can find out and find products that are hot, products that are hopping, so you could just make it better, and you can, you know, reinvent it, but don't try to create something on your own. So you can buy in bulk here on Alibaba Express. So that's a good thing. You can buy in bulk, and you can buy anything anywhere between, you know, $1 to like $7. It all depends on how much. So you can do like your negotiating skills as well. So you can negotiate with people on Amazon, not Amazon, on Alibaba Express. So you can, let's say you want to go down here and you want to negotiate with this specific person, right? They're selling, this is like NBO store. So you can contact this person, reach out to them just by hovering over here. This is like their service center. But you could click on here, you could contact them, let them know that you'd love to buy some products from them, and the products, and they will ask you how much you're going to be spending, all that type of stuff. So you can negotiate. So if they're selling it for, let's say, $2 and you're buying 1,000 of that item, you could be like, hey, listen, I have 180. Or you can have like, I got 160, I got 150. So you can negotiate. Some of them will be like, nah, they can't do it. But if you be like, all right, listen, well, I'm gonna go somewhere else, not a problem. I was gonna buy this, now you don't want, and it's all business, and they will work with you, right? So now you know where to get the products. Now, most of you probably wonder, like, okay, what do I need to do? How do I do market research on Amazon? How do I do like product research? How do I know what's selling? You know, what is selling and how much is it selling for and all that type of stuff. Now, wait, my friend, I got this covered. Now you could go to this website, and it's called Jungle Scout. It's called junglescout.com. This website, it's great. You can go on here. Of course, it's a monthly fee to get started, but it's just like amazing. If you look down here, this is what it looks like. You can find product ideas in seconds. So if you're about to start and learning how to make money online and you want to use Amazon, you could cancel it at any time. But use it, because if you want to find some hot products, you want to find products that are actually selling, this is a great place to go. You can do product research, go through the entire thing, built by sellers for sellers. So someone who actually created this knows the ins and outs of Amazon. So that's why, you know, you could start selling on Amazon today and go through that. So just pick a product, and then you can get your stock from Alibaba Express, right, to Amazon FBA, which is good. And that is another website that is called like Flexport. So I know once you buy everything in bulk, you're deciding, okay, how do I deal with customs? How do I deal with, you know, like the rate and everything? How do I deal with pricing? Now you get your products. You wonder, okay, how do I deal with pricing and everything? Now there's a website that is called Fulfillment by Amazon Revenue Calculator. Now this calculator can work out anything. So let's say you want to look for torch lighter, right? And you search here. So you can pick whichever one you decide that you want to find. Let's say we select on this one. Now, if you select on here, this is what's going to happen. This is like the cool thing. So a lot of people want to make money online and they want to jump into things, but they don't want to do the research or try to figure out exactly how everything is done. Now, I'm not saying that this is the entire process, because this video will be like 4 hours. I'm just giving you the key points to help you start making money online on Amazon. So let's say you find this product right here. You can try the product by buying it, your current fulfillment, item price. You will see Amazon fulfillment. You could go through here. It will calculate everything for you. So that's the beauty about this calculator. It will just work out everything and tell you, okay, what is the shipping cost? Because remember, once you put that product on there, you're thinking about shipping costs because you have to ship it. And it doesn't matter what country they're shipping it from because, you know, people all over the world buy from Amazon. So, of course, you want to do that. You want to make sure that you get that going. And let's say you have your product. Now you find your product. Now you have the calculator. Now you scout out everything. And you have that product and you want to make it better. You can go on freelancer.com. That's a website. They can create some design for you and make it unique, right? So you could do like prototyping, just set it up. Prototyping, they can set that up for you and get you started, get your business set up, and you are just ready to rock and roll. And of course, there is more to it. You can create the listing on Amazon, how you put your listing on there, you add your products on Amazon and the FBA stuff as well, right? Under offer, like your price, condition, fulfillment channel, like the images, the description. Of course, there's keywords, right? Sending stocks to Amazon, FBA, all that type of stuff. So there's a lot of information that I haven't covered in this video because, I don't want to make it too long, but these are some of the tools that you can use to start your Amazon business and get going. Of course, you want to know how to get reviews as well, right? So you can use this site called Feedback Genius. That's a great place to go with Feedback Genius. So you could just go on there and you can reach out to your people once you start getting people to start to buy or sell and all that type of stuff. And one of the next thing too, and this is what you do. If you got people all over the country, reach out to them and say, hey, I'm trying to sell this. If you want to send them the money for them to give you the review, not a problem. Sometimes you got to spend a little bit of money here and there just to get what you want. And people have been doing that, you know, a long time. And yeah, you can expand to different countries, expand to different products. But I always say just try one first, see how everything works, and then you could just get going. So I showed you some of the tools that you can use for Amazon and how to make money online in 2019, Amazon FBA. I hope this video helps. I didn't want to make it too long. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Feel free to like, subscribe to this channel. And if you're looking for my #1 way of recommendation of making money online, check out the very first link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.